hope you guys are doing well इंशाल्लाह। आज है संडे एंड अभी हो रहे हैं सुबह के 6:30 बजे। तो हम लोग सोचे कि अभी हम लोग लाल बाग जाएंगे, जो एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन है एंड इट्स वेरी फेमस इन बैंगलोर। तो हम लोग वहाँ जा रहे हैं एंड आई जस्ट वॉन वेरी बेस। So guys, we ignore my funny helmet, but we are going to Lal Bagh and we just thought we slept a lot yesterday. Saturday whole day we slept and even Sunday we slept. So we thought we were awake in the morning, so we thought we'll just go to Lal Bagh, which is like 15 minutes from my place now. So yeah, we're going there and just we'll chill out and we'll come back. That's the plan. So yeah, let me know how you guys like this video. I'm shooting today from my GoPro, so I hope okay, now we are headed to Cubbon Park, not Lal Bagh Park. Both of them are different, and it is a landmark lung of Bangalore. It is spread across 300 acres. Initially, when this was inaugurated in 1870, it was just 100 acres, and expansion has taken place. So it is a widely spread land with both natural walkways as well as park-like places, so that both of them can be utilized. And it's a very beautiful scenic place. So if you want to go here, it is advised you go early in the morning, and obviously there will be crowds during the weekend, so just choose accordingly your timings, because if you want to go and enjoy and relax, it is advisable you go early in the morning. And we've gone there at 5:30 as well, so that is an amazing time to be there. And you will see a lot of dog lovers and animal lovers here, so you will thoroughly enjoy. There is something for everyone over here. तो जिस दिन हम लोग गए थे उस दिन बारिश हुई थी, तो इतना गीला गीला सा है. As you can see, we are walking on a nature trail right now, which is not touched much by the humans, and there's only a walkway which is also like मट्टी से भरा हुआ था, तो फिर there was chances of slipping. मैं तो एक बार गिर भी चुकी थी. As you can see, people come and sit here and enjoy and spend time. So this is a definite place. If you are coming to Bangalore, you need to visit this place because it is that beautiful and you will definitely enjoy it. I guarantee you that. This is what I was talking, where they've made it like a park kind of a place where a lot of yoga and a lot of fitness instructors teach you classes for half an hour, 1 hour, free of cost. And a lot of people join these classes and have a very nice time for half an hour or 1 hour. It is really a beautiful sight to see. And again, we are on another nature trail road. And can you look at the beauty of it? You are surrounded by a lot of green shades, a lot of pleasantry to your eyes. So you just need to come here and enjoy it. And the experiences are real. Only if you see this you will understand what I'm talking about. So yeah, so there are gazebos also built across this place so that you can rest, and if there is rain you can always take shelter. Another beautiful sight over here are the residents of these parks, which are the birds. You can see a lot of parakeets and pigeons over here. There, as I said, there are a lot of animal lovers who feed these birds in the morning, and it is a sight to see the squirrels and the parakeets just flying all around you. It is nothing but beautiful. I could stand there whole day and just admire them. That is how beautiful it looked like. So as you can see, they're all having food in the morning. Let me just zoom in and show. Can you see the squirrels just jumping around here and there? And I will take you up close to show how beautiful the sight looks like. So I just got lucky to see that and I could capture it. Yeah, so I'm sure you guys also must have loved it. So this is all rice grains that these animal lovers put in the morning, and it's a green heaven, you guys. तो खतना हुई. So around the park you will see beautiful structures like these and water parks. तो हम लोग वॉक करते करते आए हैं विधान सौदा, and that is the court, and there's one nice human being feeding the dogs. So yay. High Court, Vidhan Sabha Original, Vidhan Sabha Junior. After this, we did our breakfast and headed home. So I hope you guys loved this vlog. If you did, please make sure you like, share and subscribe. Bye.